Some Dublin city centre businesses are reporting difficulties with the new waste collection system introduced to deal with a ban on bin bags in the capital. The complaints come as the rollout of the next phase of the ban to residential areas of the city has been postponed after concerns were raised about how it will work for householders.
Last October, Dublin City Council introduced waste compactors around Temple Bar and St Stephen's Green as part of a ban on the use of bin bags for the disposal of waste in Dublin city centre. Last month, 2 new compactors were installed close to O'Connell Street and Capel Street, but city centre businesses say they're having issues.
Half the time they don't work, so they should fix the issues and make it better.
On the container that I have on my other shop in O'Connell Street, I was spending 25 euros a week, and for the same amount I spend like 7,500.
People are organising for collection from their premises, and that's not happening, giving rise to build-up of waste in small premises.
But Dublin City Council say the bin bag ban is already making the capital much cleaner.
There's over 1,000 bags a day being removed from the city streets. That's 7,000 bags a week from the Phase 1 area. Our own metrics are showing that that's equating to a reduction of approximately 20 tonnes per month of litter being collected by Dublin City Council cleansing crews. Where people are experiencing issues, I would recommend that they contact the waste collector.
The bin bag ban will ultimately remove the practice of putting waste in plastic bags from around 1,000 streets in Dublin City. But the next phase of its rollout to the first primarily residential area here in Stoneybatter has been postponed for a month due to concerns about how it will work. Around 300 people attended a public meeting about the ban earlier this week.
The primary concern is the dramatic increase in cost. Many households seeing more than double, in some instances 4 times the cost of what they're paying now. And in particular, the households don't have the space to store wheelie bins or indeed the caddy bins that some of the bin companies are proposing.
The next phase of the bin bag ban is due to come into effect in parts of the North Inner City in August. Samantha Library, RTE News, Dublin.